Alright guys, I just got 2 new fans today. We're starting off with this is a new fan. This is our 52 Savoy ceiling fan. That's another fan I got, and that'll be tested after this. So yeah, let's take 2 low. And this fan has white to oak blaze on it. And it came complete with the campy mount bracket and downlight down there. This fan did not come complete at all. Just came with the motor, the blaze and light here in the globes and light bulbs, minus the downlights and canopy and the mount bracket. Yeah. So taking medium, high, medium. Feel a little bit of a breeze from medium. Now I have 30 fans in my clutching, so okay. Take it to high. Decent air mover. Train spinning around there. Take it to spin down. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.